Hello and welcome to a new video. My name's Aid and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2006 Maserati Quattroporte M139. The purpose of the cabin air filter is to remove pollutants including pollen and dust from the air that you breathe inside the car. Located behind the glove box, air passes through the filter as it moves through the HVAC system. HVAC is an acronym for heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. If you don't change the filter, it's likely to get clogged up with dirt and debris, and it will begin to affect the efficiency of the filter. It will compromise the HVAC system, and as it gets more clogged up, it will reduce the volume of air that's able to pass through it, and that can lead to odours inside the car. The air filter is located behind the glove box compartment, and it's accessed from underneath the glove box in the passenger footwell. Before you remove the air filter, it's a good idea to cover the footwell with a sheet so that you can capture any debris that falls out when you remove the filter. The first thing to do is remove this panel that's fastened directly underneath the glove box, and you do this by removing the plastic fasteners that secure the front, back and side of the panel. Looking underneath the glove box, you'll now see a rectangular plastic cover. To remove it, you slide it towards the centre console. You'll now see the filter, and to remove this you simply pull it down and towards the rear of the car. With the filter removed, I give the housing a blast of compressed air to remove any debris that remains inside, and then I give it a wipe with a clean cloth. A new genuine Maserati filter costs around £50. To fit the filter, you simply slide it back up into the housing, slide the cover back on and refit the panel. Hopefully you found this video useful. Any comments much appreciated, and if you like the video, I'd appreciate it if you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, see you next time, cheers.